Kung Pao Chicken is a popular Chinese restaurant dish of stir-fried chicken, peanuts and vegetables. It's traditionally made with specialty ingredients, like Sichuan peppercorns, Chinese black vinegar, Chinese rice wine, and whole dried red chilies. Ingredients needed for Kung Pao Chicken. Ingredients needed for the marinade. 1½ tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon dry sherry to teaspoons cornstarch. 1½ pound chicken tenderloins, cut into 1 in pieces. Ingredients needed for the sauce. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce, best quality such as Kikkoman or Lee Kum Kee. 1 tablespoon Asian and toasted sesame oil. 1½ tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. Use half the amount for a milder sauce. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. 1/3 cup water. Ingredients needed for the stir-fry. 2½ tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 large red bell pepper diced. 2 stalks celery, half lengthwise and thinly sliced. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 3 cloves garlic, chopped. 5 scallions, white and green parts, thinly sliced. 1/3 cup whole roasted and salted peanuts or cashews. How to prepare Kung Pao Chicken. 1. Marinate the chicken in a medium bowl. Whisk together the soy sauce, dry sherry, and cornstarch until the cornstarch is dissolved. 2. Add the chicken and toss to coat. Let stand at room temperature for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 3. Prepare the sauce in another medium bowl. Whisk together all of the sauce ingredients until the cornstarch is dissolved. It can stick to the bottom of the bowl, so be sure to scrape it up. 4. Heat a large non-stick skillet over high heat until very hot. 5. Add 1 tablespoon of the oil and swirl to coat. 6. Add the bell pepper, celery, and salt and cook, stirring frequently until slightly softened and starting to brown, about 5 minutes. 7. Transfer the vegetables to a large bowl and set aside. 8. Add an additional 1/2 tablespoon of oil to the pan and set over high heat. 9. Add half of the chicken. It's important not to crowd the pan and brown on one side, about 1½ minutes. 10. Turn the chicken pieces and continue cooking for about 1½ minutes more, or until the chicken is just cooked through. 11. Transfer the chicken to the bowl with the peppers and celery. Add another 1/2 tablespoon of oil to the pan. 12. Add the remaining chicken and cook until golden on one side, about 1½ minutes. Turn the chicken pieces over and cook for 1 minute. 13. Add 1/2 tablespoon more oil to the pan, along with the garlic and scallions. And cook, stirring with the chicken, for about 30 seconds more. 14. Add the reserved vegetables and reserved chicken to the pan, along with the sauce. 15. Reduce the heat to low and cook until the chicken and vegetables are warmed through and the sauce is thickened, about 30 seconds. 16. Stir in the nuts. 17. Taste and adjust seasoning, if necessary, and serve. Please note, the sauce will thicken as it sits. Thin it with a few tablespoons of water, if necessary. 18. Enjoy your homemade Kung Pao Chicken.